Hello class 12. Welcome to the lecture of chemistry with Qureshi sir. Sorry. Today we are going to study about esterification. Formation of ester. In my previous lecture, it was from alcohol and acid and anhydride in the presence of strong sulfuric acid. It forms ester plus acetic acid. As we know that if you compare alcohol and phenol is a very weak nucleophile because of the resonance effect and all. But alcohol doesn't have the resonance. That's why this is a very strong nucleophile. Today we are going to deal with chapter alcohol and phenol, but we will treat with phenol. Now let's study first acid and anhydride. It is a very reactive. So start from acid CH3. Acid and anhydride. First of all, you write acid and anhydride. Very reactive as compared to acetic acid. Very reactive. It reacts with last time we did with alcohol. This time we will treat with phenol. So phenol is nothing but it is attached with the benzene ring, right? And this reaction has to be, see, previously it was a reversible reaction. It was a reversible reaction, but when we treat with concentrated, you write within the bracket conc. So what you will get the product? See here how you are going to product. As in my previous lecture also you can see it. It will cleave from this particular position of acid and anhydride, and from alcohol the protons will come out and here from the acid and anhydride this will be cleaved because oxygen is more electronegative, so it will draw the electrons towards itself, and here also same thing, oxygen is more electron, it will draw the, and here become electropositive, and these become highly polarized. So and here become delta positive. That's why this bond is going to cleave and this bond. So what do you get in the product? First of all, let's try to form the first product as a ester CH3. Just practice it, you'll get it. Then O attached with the phenyl ring. Finish. See here, COH, that is acetic acid. So it is the carboxylic acid, COH. So it is the derivative, one of the hydrogen being removed with a phenyl ring. So this is ester. Plus what you get the byproduct here? H, bring H here. So this form nothing. Acetic acid. See the COH. This one is carbon, oxygen pick up these protons. Now these become acetic acid, which is nothing but carboxylic acid. Acetic acid. See here, as I in my previous lecture also said the same thing. I use here sulfuric concentrated sulfuric acid. It liberates protons in the solution with the aim of to breaking this equilibrium. This equilibrium same as like before. It will form or the reverse back the reaction to the reactant also from the product. So in order to stop the reaction, I have used concentrated sulfuric acid to move the reaction forward. right? So you'll get this ester 100%, and this acetic acid should have been drained out, like it's my previous lecture. Also drain out continuously. You have to drain out continuously from reaction mixture. Otherwise, this will reverse the reaction mixture. Okay. So the first point is that we have to remember, let's write to NB, acid anhydride is very reactive, reacts with weak nucleophile, and weak nucleophile here is what, you know that it is phenol. It is phenol in the presence of strong concentrated, I'll use the short form, concentrated sulfuric acid, which liberate protons in solution to form what it forms, to form ester 100% with acetic acid, drain out from the solution, from the reaction mixture. Let's write this. And here the function of the concentrated sulfuric acid is to move the reaction forward. So I will write this one forward instead of the equilibrium. But the condition is that this acetic acid will be thrown out, continuously drain out. Then you will get 100%. Otherwise, this may reverse back the reaction. Okay, then please subscribe my channel and like the button and the notification also. Thank you.